Tell me what it needs.
It needs some water first.
I think it's oil. Is it oil?
Oil.
It says O-I-L. Does it say that?
Oil.
Oil. Okay, we'll put oil and then we'll put the kernels, okay?
Yeah, and then we put the butter.
And then the butter. Okay, this is 1 part oil and preheat and 3 parts kernels, but it can't read it very well, so we'll try. Sure.
Thanks.
And pour the oil in.
The oil has to be
I think a lot. Like cover the bottom, it said. Cover the bottom of the pan. Yeah. Okay, that's probably enough.
I need a lot more.
I think that's enough.
I need a lot more than cover the pan.
Yes. Okay, that's good.
Okay,
I think
that's
so.
good.
I think so.
That's
Oh, I hope so. The table likes the oil on it.
It smells good.
Smells good? Even just the oil, huh? Okay. Let me get
Smell
the...
it.
Alright.
And it's
I can't smell it. You can smell it? I got on your nose. Okay, let's put in the kernels. You like it how it tastes?
He's good.
It's got 3 times as much kernels as... How clean are your hands? 3 times as much kernels as oil. 3 times. 1 part oil, 3 parts kernels. Ugh. Okay.
And now we have to add the butter.
Well, I think I'll put some more kernels in.
Oh, I'll put some more
Oh, okay.
because it's my job to bake it.
Can I put some more too?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, I'll put some more.
Can I?
Oh, that's enough. Oops. Okay, you put 1 more handful. Okay, now let's put on the lid. Okay, now I will put it on the stove. I will do that part. Okay, this is the part Mommy does.
Okay.
But you can watch at a safe distance, alright?
Okay, but can I watch?
Yes, get that big chair.
Big flaming fire.
Stand way back. There you go.
Big flaming fire.
Now you have to stay way back.
It looks really awesome.
Good.
Such a pulse as a creek.
That's
How
right.
good really tastes good.
Yeah, I hope so.
And it's almost Halloween.
That's
so we
true.
decorated our house.
Mm-hmm.
But we made one decoration this week.
Which one was it?
A haunted house one.
Oh, that's right. Mommy and John made that one.
And now we're making the popcorn.
Right, because popcorn is good to make in the fall.
And now the popcorn is getting ready to bake.
Yes, and now it's heating up.
We already put oil.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to add some water for it.
Yeah, the oil and the kernels. I think that's all you need.
And my sister's Amy is outside, way over there.
Yeah, and Daddy's watching her.
Yes.
So that's how we're able to do it.
Agrees.
Sir John Paul agrees, so it must be true.
And Amy really, really loves oranges.
Mm.
She loves the Felicity movie.
Yes, she does. And what do you
And
like?
And I like superhero movies and that dinosaur movie.
Oh, cool. Very good. Yeah, so you stand behind me, and I go like this a little bit, I believe. And shake it a little bit. Ooh, look how cool it looks with all those little kernels. Do you hear a sound?
I already can hear it. Make it more tastier. Make it more tastier. Show it to Daddy.
We'll show him once we make it, if it works. I I think it works. I think that's how you do it.
And we have this.
When's it gonna start popping? I hope we didn't put too much oil, but maybe we did. But it's gonna start popping.
Those are popcorn eggs.
They're like eggs.
Yeah, they're
It's the same way you make the eggs.
Yeah, they're popcorn.
Oh! Look!
What?
Two little ones there. Oh, three! Look, look, look!
Popcorn.
Oh!
How come that's happening?
It's like bursting out.
The seeds are turning into popcorn. And let me see.
You stand way back and you stay on that chair, safe distance.
And the popcorn is getting ready to pop out billions of popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
The popcorn eggs are turning into popcorn and they're blasting all over the place.
They're hatching. Yeah, I never thought of it. They are kind of like eggs, huh? The kernels.
They
Oh.
will be all eggs.
Maybe I should turn this down just a tad. Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Wait.
Daddy, the popcorn is blasting everywhere.
Whoa, look how much! Look how much!
Billions!
What makes it do that? You're gonna have to ask your teacher. Maybe she knows.
Popcorn.
It makes it like explode.
Popcorn, stop!
Stand back. There you go.
And now we made up dozen popcorn.
See, so you can see how far away he is. He's at a safe distance from the.
And now it's taking a dozen
You
popcorn.
stand back and you say, "Look it. Is he gonna make the lid come off? Did we make too much?"
Yes.
Oh, look. I think. Oh my goodness! I think we made a little much. It's just like on a cartoon.
Get it off!
It's just like on a cartoon. It's gonna like explode all over the house. Ah!
Mommy, turn it off. Turn it off.
Why?
Hurry!
It's
It's
a-
gonna explode.
It's coming off. Wait, you back up. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Just turn it off.
Why?
Because of the popcorn. It'll cover our house with popcorn.
Oh, it's gonna cover our house with popcorn.
Hurry!
Uh,
Hurry, Mommy. Just do it.
okay, should I turn it off?
Yeah, turn it off right now.
Okay, back up. Oh, that was a close call. It almost took over our house. Wow, I guess we did it right, huh?
Popcorn.
Wait, say it again.
The popcorn exploded. Ding!
Look out, we're gonna open the lid. And
Popcorn.
put it in here.
And popcorn.
Ah,
Popcorn.
tastes pretty good. I think we made enough. What do you think?
Oh, yes.
We're gonna have to bring some to all the neighbors. Ah! It's burnt on the bottom. Hold on. I want that burnt kind. Just a nice one. Ooh! Some of it's burnt. I'll help you that. That's what happens when you try something for the first time. I'll take out some of these. A little bit burnt. But those are just the ones on the very bottom. Don't get off. Okay, let's get ready to put the water on it. Okay.
I'm Mr. Pumpkin Puddle. This was a delicious pumpkin day. Bye.
Okay. yummy. It's good. Okay, now don't do anything yet.
Give some.
Okay, so this is not actually butter. This is made from vegetable oil, and it tastes pretty good though. Let's put it in and mix it around. Okay, we made enough popcorn for the whole neighborhood. So live and learn. When you try something new, you always learn a lot of stuff. And hopefully this tastes pretty good. You're gonna give the neighbors a bag of popcorn. John Paul.
John Paul, you want to bring
Help?
it to him? You want to bring him a bag of popcorn?
That's a nice neighborly thing to
Yeah. Share the popcorn.
do. We have a little bit. Oh.
Okay, maybe some extra.
Not too much. That good?
Yeah,
Want popcorn? Come on,
yeah.
John Paul, you want to go give it to the neighbors? Get out.
Yeah, go with Daddy. Go with Daddy. You're on a
Come on,
mission.
let's go give it to the neighbors.
Give the neighbors some popcorn.
Sending homemade popcorn. Come on.
That's so nice.
Come on.
Well, that's one of my best projects.
Go here, go. Come on.
You going across the street? Okay, now that worked out well. That's a good project. I call that a success.